Hi guys, hope you're all doing great. In the previous video, I explained how to create an image with Canva AI for free. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create video using Canva AI for free. Are you ready? So let's get started. Open your browser, go to canva.com, and on the left side we have an option which is Canva AI. Click on that. Okay. And from here you have to choose video clip. Once you choose, you should describe your idea. I have already uh, prepared a prompt for that, so I'm going to create a video about Zurich sightseeing during summer. Okay, and click enter. As you can see here, it's thinking I will create a cinematic travel video showcasing Zurich beautiful summer site for you. This will take up 2 minutes. So I'm gonna pause the video. Okay. So as you can see, the video is ready. So let's play and see the video. As you can see, the video looks like very good. Wow. Yeah, that's how you can create a video using Canva AI for free. That's it, guys. Hope you will like it. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. See you in the next video.